Our new listing at 319 Clear Circle is a sweet setup in Smyrna. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is a rare find. With large rooms, lots of storage, and a huge yard. The whole place has been freshly painted and many of the light fixtures have been replaced. With an open living room kitchen configuration, you'll be able to entertain while also whipping up something awesome in the kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, it features new cabinets, new countertops, and new flooring. All of the appliances remain with the home. Both bathrooms also have new flooring and new tile in the showers. All of the bedrooms are spacious, and the master closet is downright huge for a home this size. The home is move-in ready and awesome, but the outside features may just blow you away. This huge lot has room for just about anything and great options to store everything. The 20 by 25 shop is less than a year old and ready for you to make it yours. This 16 by 12 shed is in great shape. Use it for storage or turn it into a private clubhouse or she shed. This listing at 619 Clear Circle in Smyrna has everything you could want. Give us a call or contact your favorite realtor to set up your private showing today.